In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Squarespace. If you're looking to expand your online store's payment options to accommodate your customers better, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step to set up credit card payments seamlessly using Squarespace. Relax, grab a coffee, and let's walk through this together. First things first, head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is where we'll start our journey. Once you're on the Squarespace home, look carefully to find the Settings option. It's typically represented by a little gear icon, a universal symbol in many software platforms that often leads to the more technical yet crucial aspects of managing your site. Upon clicking Settings, we'll need to dive a bit deeper. The next step is to locate and click on Selling within the Settings menu. This is your gateway to the e-commerce side of Squarespace, where all the magic of online transactions happens. The Selling section contains all the tools you need for managing how you conduct business through your site. Now focus on the Payments option. This is truly the heart of our operation today. By clicking on Payments, you open up the possibilities of integrating various payment methods into your site. Next, you'll notice an option labeled Connect under Stripe. Stripe is a powerful payment processor that supports credit card payments, among other options. Connecting Stripe to your Squarespace site means enabling your business to accept payments securely and efficiently. Stripe is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide owing to its flexible and powerful operations, so you're in good hands. Once you click to connect with Stripe, you'll be prompted to enter your Stripe account details. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, don't worry. You can easily set one up during this step. Follow the prompts and Stripe will guide you through creating an account, linking bank details, and any necessary verification steps. It's straightforward, and before you know it, you'll be all set. With your Stripe account connected, you'll have full access to accepting credit card payments on your Squarespace website. This setup adds a seamless checkout experience for your customers, boosting their confidence in purchasing from you. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've enabled your Squarespace store to accept credit card payments, potentially increasing sales and broadening your reach. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable tips on managing your online presence. Happy selling!